Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center. We've gotten in some beautiful, striking native tree yuccas. Joshua tree. Now you're seeing this one's all around town. It's in front of the VA, kind of commercial settings. This is the same one that grows up at Joshua Tree National Forest. We've bred, hybridized one, same thing. Let's see if you can see that. It's a double head. Can you see that? I don't know. Double head, but has a softer foliage to it, kind of bluer. This is greener and stiffer. Here's the one. Ouch! It pokes you. And then, take a look at this. This is called Spanish dagger Joshua tree. It is super cool, like a palm tree. Now these are super hardy. They go down to 0 degrees pretty easy. So even at the high country, you're going to find these trees. These are specimens. You want to place it out there and really show it off, but you're seeing some really cool native plants here at Waters Garden Center. You can plant now in your backyard.